Hi, I'm Dave, and I'm here to talk to you about my new toy, the Priority Sauce. Check it out. Here it is, the Priority Sauce. It's a new bike from Priority, belt drive, of course. But what drew me to this was the retro mountain bike styling. I've had it for about a month now, and so I figured I should share a little bit of my thoughts on it overall. This is the single speed version in the green, obviously, and the size small medium size. I'm 5'7", so this actually fits me perfect. It's a ton of fun. It's really lightweight. Disc brakes work really well. I think they're rebranded Tektros, maybe, I'm not sure, but the bike came in the box, mostly assembled. All I had to do, I think, was put on the stem and the pedals and the front tire. It was really simple. Pretty good with bikes, but I think anyone could figure this one out. The belt drive and the tension was already perfectly set, and it is really smooth and works really well. 27.5 tires. Really nicely built bike. Really impressed with this. I think it was just under $800 all in. Very happy with it. The pedals aren't the best. They aren't so grippy. I might change those. Other than that, my only complaint with the bike is the rear brake has been rubbing a bit. I keep having to adjust that. The pedals and maybe the gearing. I know this was tricky because it's a single speed and it's meant to be ridden all over the place, dirt, road, gravel, all that. But I found on the road it's a bit under geared and you feel like you're just spinning your legs a little bit. Off-road it's fine, and I mean it's a rigid Priority hardtail. You're not going to be riding anything technical with it, but on just dirt paths and whatnot it's fine. But on pavement I find it's a little under pedaled, under geared that is, and I wish the gearing was a bit larger to push the bike forward. But that's a minor complaint. They do make the hot sauce, which has a internal hub shifter. That might be the way to go. But the lightness of the bike is really nice. The simplicity is really nice. It rides great. I'm really happy with it. Well done, Priority. Maybe I'll have to get a hot sauce as well. That would be crazy. We'll see. Anyway, that's it. Highly recommend. Sweet bike. Thank you. Bye.